Hey, I just wanted to share our Real Academy here. This has everything you need, however or whatever you want to do to market your real estate business. There's so many courses in here, so you just need to figure out what you're comfortable with. Okay, things like here, like how to follow up with clients, um, Zillow, how to work with Zillow. Um, we have toolkits in here for your listing, for your buyer's presentation. And then we have things in here for new agents, experienced agents, top producer. Let's go into experienced agents. And so here's courses, your one page business plan, how to convert. Let's see what else they got here. Direct campaigns using your CRM, Facebook ads, how to double your business with a virtual agent. Um, how to use the camera. We can even search for things. So let's do a search right here and let's just go farming. And of course, I'm creating a course for farming that I think is much better. I'll share with you. But look, you got all this stuff here on what to do. Okay. Let's say you want to just do open houses, how to crush at open houses, how to win at open houses, role playing workshop. So all this is available for you to learn. And then, of course, our team, we always get together and we role play and we share with each other and we collaborate with what's working best. I hope this helps you.